Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Subaru Forester car battery, easy method. Open the hood, locate the battery, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Wear gloves and glasses, then loosen the clamp and remove the hold down. Lift the battery straight out using both hands and a firm grip. Clean terminal clamps with a wire brush and apply a thin dielectric grease. Install the new battery, tighten clamps, and test electrical systems. In this section, I explain essential tools and parts for a smooth battery swap. Gather a wrench set, wire brush, terminal protector, and the correct battery group size. Verify cold cranking amps to match your vehicle needs. Prepare a rag and baking soda solution for neutralizing any acid. Work in a well-ventilated area and have a helper if the battery is heavy. Double-check tightness on all connections before closing the hood. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy car guides. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof meal prep containers for lunches during long jobs. They save time and cleanup. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. In this section, I help you perform the battery swap with clear, safe steps. Disconnect the negative cable first, then the positive to avoid sparks. Remove the hold down and lift the old battery straight out, checking the tray for corrosion. Install the new battery, secure the hold down, and reconnect the positive, then the negative terminal. Tighten clamps snugly and start the engine to confirm proper installation and charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.